Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Um, Sir, my overall experience has been very positive, and I had the opportunity to work with dedicated colleagues, gain a valuable hands-on experience, and develop skills that are essential for affecting policy. The support and trainings have been especially helpful to me. Sir. Um, so my time in the academy was a demanding but very valuable. It's provided a strong foundation in both the theoretical and practical aspects of policing, and it's prepared me well for the responsibilities of the role, sir. Mm, sorry, sir, can you speak again? Okay, sir. For me, trainings were practical and informative, and the 1060 training stood out the most for me, particularly the emphasis on safety and the escalation and proper procedure during domestic violence calls, sir. Sorry, sir, a little bit choppy. Um, my plan is to continue growing within the department, strengthen my skills, and contribute positive to the team and to the community, sir. And what's the other question, sir? Do you see yourself building a long term? Am I right? Yeah. Yes, sir. I do. I see myself building long-term career here and continuing to grow within the department while contributing to its goal and the community, sir. Department here in PD, sir. Mm, long term, I'd be interested in working toward a leadership or supervisory role once I've developed the necessary experience and skills to effectively support the others. And I'm gonna join the SWAT team and my former department, the HTF. want to be a major general or colonel, sir. Okay, three code of conduct. Number one, professionalism at all times. Two, respect for all individuals. And last one, accountability and responsibilities. Okay, sir. For the eight rules, do not use any weapon, including taser and gun. Do not spot vehicle in red circle in garage. Next, do not ride along with another rookie or civilian. Next, do not engage in conversation with civilians or gang member. Next, do not use force. And next is do not disobey other from a superior rank officer. Next, must address the higher ups, sir, ma'am, and salute. Six what, sir? Sorry. Okay. Okay. And for the PD policies, number one is no insubordination. Two, no AFK while on duty and stay active. Respect is a must. Always follow the chain of commands and also the close all doors behind you. I will repeat again, sir. One, respect is a must. Two, no insubordination. Three, no AFK while on duty. Four, stay active. Follow follow the chain of commands. Six, close all doors behind you, sir. Sorry, excuse. For the PD garage, sir, 60 miles per hour. Sorry, sir. PD garage, 15 miles per hour. Green zone, 40 miles per hours, not exceeding to 60, sir. For the Binis, no more 60 miles per hour. Chain of command, number one, vested field training officer. Next, supervisor field training officer. Next, head field training officer. Then the generals, major generals, lieutenant generals, colonel generals, deputy federal, and also the chief, sir. From zero to chief, sir. Rookie to chief. Okay, sir. For the rank within the PD faction, this is my rank. I'm a recruit. Next, private, sergeant, sergeant, badge, first sergeant, sergeant major, and lieutenant bested, and captain, major, colonel, and Major General, Lieutenant General, Colonel, the DFG, and last one is the Chief of Police, sir.
30.
So we have three categories, sir. We have three category. This is criminal, civil, and administrative, sir. No, sir, because it's automatically give to the suspect when they hit us or they killed somebody. Administrative violation, sir. Maximum of five violations, sir. Three, sir. '97 to PD. Okay, sir, follow me to the medical room. Okay, sir. Siren on. 10-11. One suspect. One car at floor 2. Hello, sir. You know why I pull you over? Because, sir, you hit my car, and that is a state property. Oh, sir, I'm gonna request some of your documents. Okay, sir, hold a second. I'm gonna back to my car and I'm gonna check your information. Okay, sir, I already checked your documents. You are clean and I'm gonna bring back your document. So for now, sir, I'm gonna write a warning ticket and please sign. Okay, sir, thank you. When I get back in my car and you are free to go. And next time, sir, please be careful, especially while on your driving. Thank you. Have a good day, sir.
Uh, How can I get my badge?
Yeah, I'm trying to do that too. I've been waiting. I'm born for this, ready for this. Ready for the eval test,
Yes, I
ready for
completed all.
the blue suit running off. So I'll be back.
one suspect, white car, Ford, location PDG requesting backup. Thank you, Taco PD.
So, have you been drinking? I'm just wondering. I'm just going to request your documentation real quick, and then we're going to do a little sobriety. It's what you've been doing. My bad. So I'll keep you at this, sir, and then I'll let you know when the hiring is. So you know when the hiring is? So if you want police, I'll give you a shout. Hey, so yeah, there you go.
I'm new this game, brother. I not
Sir,
break your
you don't
car.
run from police.
Okay?
Sir, you don't run
Listen,
from
listen,
police,
listen, listen,
I'm
listen.
gonna bring
I
you to
not
jail, sir.
break your car.
my friend. My
Another
friend.
person break your car, then you
My friend.
pull
Sir,
over me.
you
Why,
don't.
brother?
My brother. Okay, listen to me. You don't run from the police. When we tell you to stop, you do something. You don't run from us because you're putting yourself in danger. You're putting other people in danger as well by running them over. I mean, if he stops, we could have given a ticket by now. Then this could have been avoided. You know. I mean, I apologize it's gone this way, but it is what it is. So, don't worry, you're gonna get about 20 minutes. You'll be out in no time. Um,
30 minutes
please,
now. Stay your car.
no, sir, you're gonna be going to jail. So let me bring your documents real quick, sir, and then I'll get right back.
I give you my passport. You request. You see?